Hey, say hey, girl. We're doing a fruit mukbang. Here we go. Wait, so we're doing a fruit mukbang. Here, right. And it's okay for seeds, children, whatever you want to call them, to eat the watermelon seeds. Because with her, she'll just swallow it and it'll be in her food. But all of those nutrients from the seed will be extracted out. So it's fine. Just don't have like a 6 month old that don't have no teeth. But y'all, so we went to the States and now we're back in Ethiopia. And it's been a lovely experience being back because we have a lot of holistic, therapeutic wellness, community, eco friendly projects coming up. And I'll be posting it right here because I love to do my flyers and everything of that nature because that's one of the things that I am gifted in, graphic design type, and I love making flyers. I also do wellness nutrition. I help people with their nutrition. I am a herbalist. I don't really like to call myself a herbalist, but I work with herbs and I formulate and customize them to whatever need that you have. Anything that is a dis-ease in your body, I can formulate a blend for you. So I do that. I also do flyers and I also do helping the community as far as feeding, giving back, anything dealing with bringing our people, our community into the better version of themselves. And that's through food, being healthy as far as not consuming, like it's a balance to everything, but not over consuming dairy, meat, um, toxic ingredients and things of that nature, chemicalized foods, and to really just start back planting everywhere so everyone can have food. So creating a food forest for the community and help giving back to the community is the mission here. So that is what me, myself, and all the other I and I's here in Ethiopia are planning on doing, giving back to our community and living self-sustainable. And with how this world is going now, you can't depend on anybody. Like what we need to depend on is nature, because nature will always have us. Nature will always, and you don't play with the food, Egypt. Nature will always have us. It gives us air, it gives us warmth, it gives us food, herbs, herbal remedies, everything you can find in nature. So, with all of the AI things that's going on and all of the other things that's going on in the world, that's not going to have you like nature has you. So that is the goal being here in Itopia. It's nature is abundant here. I am abundant in nature. I am wealthy in spirit. I am rich in peace. And that is what the whole mission and the goal of being here and bringing others, eyes, to realize that we can have it all because we are it. We are everything, everywhere, all at once. We're everywhere. I am you. You are me. You are somewhere different, but you still are me. I am somewhere different, but I'm still you. Everything is one. And so to realize and to remember, I'm here to help people remember that this is ours. This land is ours. So let's go get it. Let's go be abundant in nature. So that is the goal. And I am raising up donations and other services that can contribute to the cause of what we're doing here and helping bring other INIs here and to remember that we are everything. We don't have to be on somebody else's conscious based living. You can do whatever you want. You can be whatever you want. This is good. I haven't even touched my food or my Mukbang. You haven't eaten anything, did you? Okay, so what's in this Mukbang is, and I'm calling it a Mukbang because it is a lot. And I'm like, whoa. And a friend of mine had got it for us. Mm, this is the thing. I thought you was giving me something else. So it's papaya, mango, watermelon, banana, apples. Here. Uh, she don't really like papayas like that. I do, in a way. I don't eat papayas a lot. But yeah, so back to, I had went to this, that's the whole point of this video. I had went to, well, not the whole point of the video is what I, just said. But the title, yes, I went to the States and I'm back and it's like, it's like a breath of fresh air, like being back. It's like, wow, like, and when I went back, I was like, I'm grateful. Like, I realized that I am grateful and to be who I am, to realize who I am, um, and to know that, uh-uh, to know that I have family that really loves me was like, wow. Because they threw me a going away, going back to Africa party, which was so lovely. It's like eat some fruit. Breastfed babies be like, I got a whole thing of fruit right here. Okay, so because she had to get on the boob, so we're back. And I love this thing. I should have had this like that in the beginning, but yeah, this is all the fruit. So you got papaya, and yes, I'm eating with a plastic fork, and I have a coconut fork, but this is what it came with, and hey, it is what it is. Papaya. Oh. That's why I need the, that's why I needed the real fork. Mm. It's good to be back and to have like these fruits that's like just fresh. But overall, like experience being back with this family, and I really just went, for family and to take care of my my business and restock and and get labels and stuff, my products, and really be in the lab and stuff and formulating different blends and things of that nature. So I was like loving that. I was like, yes, I'm in my element. So the goal is to like get my herbs here so I could and grow my own herbs here. Um, some of the herbs that I've grown before, that I have in like one of my formula blends is oregano mint, like for my tooth powder. All right, you guys, pardon self. And that's another thing. That's another topic that I have to get into, like the whole breastfeeding thing. But anywho, like the point of the video is I loved it. I love meeting my family and seeing them after, wait, 9 months, 8 months, excuse me. So not seeing them after like 8 months, which is not really like bad. Like 8, 9 months not seeing them, it was like okay, and that some of them not even speaking to them for like years and stuff, like it really like run to the fact that like I am love and I am love and I love all, and we should always love Egypt on. Goodness. But yes, that's that experience, and and they loved Egypt and Egypt loved them, and I'm so excited um, to be back to really like focus on what I need to focus on because I kind of needed that break. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video because it's really like going like longer. But yeah, I need that small little break, and now we're back full effect, and we're loving it. And now you guys get to see some views because I got a new phone, and I needed it, and now I can do like visuals. I have more space, so I can go more in depth with the land and stuff like that. So stay tuned and make sure you guys like, comment, share, subscribe. And if you feel called to donate to the cause of us building sustainable, self-sustainable, um, eco-friendly communities, because we all are I and I's. If you feel led to donate, please do. I will put my flyer on the next screen so you guys can screenshot and